Wearing a Snow White costume.
You mean this summer you were wearing a Snow White costume? Oh, that's what you were celebrating?
Baba!
What?
Hey, Daddy!
What, your daddy? Oh, no, I don't know where your daddy is. He's not outside, but it's blowing outside. Did you know that?
No, Dad.
Yes, it's blowing.
Go.
Yes, it is. What did you think was happening? What did you think was happening and going on? But Sophia's over here. But how's your flu today? That's your sister right there, Juliana. That's what you see, and you'll see that on YouTube. Yep. You like filming things? Go by her and I'll show her. Oh, I got to change it to do that. What I'll do is do this. In a minute, I'll do it in a second. You want to do that? So you can't see yourself? Oh, you try to see yourself. You can't see yourself. That's your sister. That's your sister.